Street. Street. Street.
One page, so what?
$24 million depends on that one page.
Here's a suggestion. Maybe it doesn't exist. Or the locked it in, let's go to the website.
Well, can you find out who logged it in?
If you're logged in, it's in my database. Computers don't make things up. People make things up. There. That's who logged it in. That's who made the mistake, not me.
Hi. Hi. Is something wrong? The Huntley's. That was your first divorce?
Second,
And you were at the firm for how long?
a half a year. Why?
You supervised the signing of the contract?
Yes. What's wrong?
I'm finding some difficulties in the filing. There was no writer.
In the hard copy, I know. You have to check the database.
I did. I can't find it there either.
She's not scared.
Phil.
She doesn't care. Somebody